You've probably been told that once nerves are damaged, that's it. Neuropathy, numbness, tremors, tingling, nerve pain, they can't grow back. But what if there's a biological switch your body already has and nobody told you about it? I've worked with people who had nerve pain so bad they couldn't sleep. Some had numb feet and hands for years. Others were losing balance, coordination, or sensation. Conventional treatment said, manage it, mask the pain, slow the damage. But when we addressed inflammation, repaired the myelin sheath, and reactivated the nerve growth signal, sensation and function started to improve. Because the truth is, your nerves aren't dead, they are disconnected, and they can reconnect. Let me share 3 tips. Tip number 1. Painkillers and nerve blockers only numb the signals. They don't restore communication. To repair nerves, you need to reduce inflammation, rebuild the myelin sheath, and activate nerve growth factors. Tip number 2. You haven't lost nerve function. The pathways are just damaged. Your body still has the blueprint for nerve repair, and those instructions never disappear. Tip number 3. The problem isn't that nerves can't regrow. It's that the switch never gets activated. There is a molecule produced naturally in the body that signals nerves to regenerate. And when we reactivate it, things begin to change. If you've been told your nerves can't heal, don't accept that. I offer a free 30-minute consultation where I'll help you understand exactly how to start repairing nerve pathways instead of just numbing symptoms. Link is in the description. Let's get you on the road to actual recovery.